I'm going to show you how to calibrate a flaw detector machine using a DCS block and a 70-degree wedge. We'll be using the acronym BADS: beam angle, distance, and sensitivity. Beam angle will be done from putting our wedge and lining up the mark with the beam exits on the wedge to the 70-degree mark to shoot for the side drill hole. Distance will be done in the other direction from this mark that has no indication here, right above the side drill hole, to this outer radius edge, and this will measure 3 inches. Sensitivity was done in the same position and we're shooting for this notch here. Let's get started. So when we start with these machines, we have to calibrate it. So let's first thing we want to check is make sure that we're shooting our 70-degree angle. So if we go up to the probe here, probe angle, 70 degrees. So that we're on the right track there. Next thing, velocity should be set at 0.126. And our dB is just at 45.2 now, but we're going to move that around a bit. So let's go ahead and shoot for beam angle. A little bit of coupling. You see this indication there that's popping out, that guy. So you want to move it back and forth. You see how when you move it back and forth, the indication goes up and down. So you want to go to the height of the indication, which is right there, and then you check your angle. So we're at a little bit under 7 degrees, but we're within the plus minus marks. So that's good to start. Next, we're going to go distance. So we're going to go to the other side. We're going to line up that mark there from the very end. And notice how our back reflection is not at 3 inches. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the probe delay until the distance is at 3 inches. So 1, 2, 3. It's at 3 inches. We can also verify that by taking our gate, smooth this guy out here. We'll set it to 80%. And we'll set our gate starts, gate width. There it goes. We want to calibrate that until it's right at 3. Make sure we're right on there. Line up with the 3-inch mark. There we go. That's our distance. Next thing we want to do is, see this little indication mark here, the shorter one? That's where we set sensitivity. So the trick to do on this, if you move your gate to miss that, the large indication, capture the small indication. Let's move that over. Keep it at 80% screen height. I'm going to trim the dBs. I'll move it to 50% screen height. And there we go. That's where the indication breaks. So our reference dB for this calibration is at 49 dBs. So to review, we got BADS. Beam angle, which is 70 degrees. Distance on this block, DSC block, is 3 inches. And sensitivity, which we have at 49 dBs.